This is my fully 3D printed ground effect vehicle. I designed it, 3D printed it, and built it myself. The original design was found in a video by RC Test Flight, and I took the design and modified it to be 3D printable. You might be wondering what the ground effect is. The ground effect is an aerodynamic effect that happens when the aircraft is close to the ground. Air deflected from the wing of the craft bounces off the ground and back to the wing, and so on, creating a high pressure zone that creates extra lift. It also lowers the size of wingtip vortices, which make the vehicle have less drag. A ground effect vehicle takes advantage of this effect to hover just above the ground. After a while spent designing, I came up with the original design. I printed it out of PETG, put it together, took it to the lake, and it did not work. I believe this is because of how heavy the two layers of PETG were, and the motor did not have enough power to move it fast enough. After knowing the problems with the original design, I did a complete redesign. This one was way lighter, sleeker, and more aerodynamic, and this one worked.
Action!
It performed way better than the original one and was lots of fun to fly. However, I don't think it was perfect. I think it needs a more powerful motor to use its full capabilities. However, I think I am satisfied with what I have, and I'm currently working on another design with a completely different wing shape. It will be more like the Airfish 8 with a reverse delta wing shape. This model is not fully done, but is a good start for a design. The reason I picked this design is because it's almost all lifting body, making it more likely to float high off the water. Thanks for watching.